This is me again. This should be one of my final bike checks for the next few months. Don't really expect to get anything new except the Eastern Medusa sprocket tomorrow, which you can just look that up because I don't feel like showing it to you. But my bike is finished, for now of course. Animal Hamilton grips, stolen sub bars, boss, Eastern Classic front hub with red spokes, E-clat tripping, straight, double wall rims, oh yeah. Haro sprocket, I have no idea what the fuck kind of sprocket it is. I don't know what the fuck the name of it is, but maybe you don't go fuck. With the Teflon Gold limited edition Shadow Conspiracy half link chain. Pretty sexy. I don't care. The dance comp sticker with twisted Odyssey PC pedals. Odyssey right there. Of course, another double wall rim, black and white back spokes, and the KHE bikes plastic and aluminum seat post combo. Yeah, pretty boss if you ask me. Well, thank you guys. As some of you may say, the colors don't match. The colors don't match. Well, to those who say that, I will say, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. If the parts do what they gotta do, I don't care what color they are. Alright guys, comments, anything, please. Thanks.